Oh, well, hey, y'all. Peyton Manning here, quarterback for the Denver Broncos. And I'm here to teach y'all how to graph lines in point-slope form using your calculator. So let's see what we've got going on here. We have ourselves our TI-73 calculator. It looks like we have ourselves a problem. It says graph y plus 3 equals negative 2 times quantity x minus 5. Well, y'all, I'm going to show you how to do this in your calculator, save you a little bit of time. First things first, whenever you want to graph, go to your calculator and hit the y equals button right there. Hooray! Now, it does say y equals. That's point slope form, and it's not y equals, it's y plus 3 equals. So looks like we're going to get rid of that plus 3. Boink! The only way to get rid of that plus 3 is since it's adding 3, you got to do the opposite. Subtract. So minus 3, minus 3. Remember, y'all, whenever you subtract something, you got to do it to both sides. That goes away, and you're left with just y on the left. Well, on the right, what we have is negative 2 times the quantity x minus 5, close that quantity, minus 3. Now, rather than say, hey, Peyton, can't we distribute that negative 2 to x and that negative 2 to negative 5 and make it something like negative 2x plus 10 and then subtract 3? We could do that, but I ain't. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to run straight to my calculator and type that in. So when I run to my calculator, I'm going to type in negative 2. Y'all do it with me. Open that parentheses. X minus 5. Close the parentheses. Minus 3. All right, y'all. Very good. You're doing great. Now let's get a general idea of what this graph looks like. Hit graph right there. Oh. And let's see what we've got. We've got ourselves a negative slope. And we've got ourselves something that starts up right about here. But you know what, y'all? I'm not just going to draw that graph. I want exact points. So I'm going to hit second graph. That takes me to my table. Starts here at 0, but my graph starts here at negative 7. So I'm going to go up to negative 7 a bunch of times. Oh, those numbers are way too big. I can't graph those. So it looks like 0 is actually the first point we can make. I'm going to graph 0, 7. So here we go, y'all. I'm going to do this pretty good. 0, 7. What's another point that we can graph? How about 1, 5? So I'm going to go over to 1, 5. And you know what, y'all? I don't need my calculator anymore. My slope is negative 2, which is just like negative 2 over 1. So rather than just look at my calculator back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, I'm just going to go down to right 1, 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 and I'm going to end right there on that corner. All right, y'all, very good. I'm very impressed. Now, the last step and the easiest step is to connect the dots. So, the best way to do that is get my handy-dandy ruler over here. I'm going to put that right there. It's going to be very difficult for me, y'all, because with one hand I'm holding the camera, and the other hand I'm going to draw. So let's see what happens. Oh, heavens to Betsy. Let's put that line right there. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's not that bad, y'all. I think I did a pretty good job. All right. Let's put these little arrows at the end. And that's our graph, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. You just graphed what was originally y plus 3 equals negative 2 times quantity x minus 5 by using the calculator right there. All right, very good. That's very exciting. Boy, howdy. Sweet Jiminy Cricket Sassy Molassy. I'm very excited about that. Well, thanks, y'all, for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Go Broncos! How do you turn this blasted thing off? Is it that button? No, it's not that one right there. It's that button. No, that didn't do it. Oh, there it is.